Akwa bakese bi on ba Adom TV so Adom TV so be dwonwuma die so dia o kan se on sempa isa kana no pensu ja medin di Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie crutch ba ko pe the only nomenclature professor's degree in sports the original Wallace the nation's presenter and medicine kunya ekon quantum coding small do isa kana no pensu e wo Ghana agudie eja so so mam se enwuma ku no e makoma komiensa omadama omna bom sika dwete ma enadwada no pay ye den kuma wodo isa kan wo kan sim no 18 eja one expert I've always told you that betting is better than sakawa. Bet the hintasima which is utwan before and a woodin before utwan kuma bia udin kuma sa no manum. Catch the busian for now for year ma offer for na mukrumu obi amfa ne honyim. One expert Emma boys financial freedom brunya no emo mutimi di brunya no yopo ene esera foma no so one expert 8 saboa. Yes I am Hasani adadi na say boys ejai one expert wo japadi says ka connection pass obetia tabiri na wakoton na di na ko guso na so de keto akoje kese no namum bet with money that you can afford to lose sika ira nya waya no eno ane di twa bet na afi so ka bet diwa wani betia kokko adwon betia hyehyew utiri betia san bom timisew eya na ode adwone kakra tia san to nya sa bet diwa utiri betia asan bom e ka bet dia we nyina achi no na se still unti na se so pe bet dia 1x bet ana betia boa amaniama etia ko edia ma Jeffers Mr. I do it that infections related to syphilis, candidiasis, white fever, and so deep. Was set to make a dribwa, proper, rawa no brebo home, a multimedian in a check, but modern dark sober pharmaceutical shops and herbal shops in Nemo, also pay Jeffers Mr. Crown Corner and a chew who see modern da someone sabitia can Jeffers a bit and bois. Set the more gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel for a pampas super monasino. A do 2 year dear arsenal as Sedimore gel and roll on. Monsanka sa product bi kwa shaman we market nyena temanso eduno sabetia kabi obetia from mpanyin for se utu bi akoton anase wotode aye ho no 0208219129 na one Sedimore gel and roll on yen twetwe nkomo yen hwemwa emaniema 822 yen fama o madama wo mo ana wo metiko ena no patutu na ede a kensi on sempa esaka 8 meja yen hyase yen fanfi FA Cup results out with 20 pm ewo abrochimemu a na se Manchester United 3 Reading 1 Manchester City 1 Arsenal 0 Brighton and Hooves Albion 2 Liverpool 1 we any matches awudu bia eno so etoto fem Fentani anim emfanche Spanish La Liga results out with 20 Barcelona Girona Etrasema Barcelona Chomekaba commentimi Antena Real Madrid and Real Sociedad 90 minutes of soccer fiesta the scoreline was barren Ubia entimi amposo nyonko Athena One of you host to Ghana first game utimi sampa Elia Menfe sa anekoba se nwene second game so hwese Mexico so anya mefa fie so to no ye ne magu o mind amono and ye qualified the ultimate search mo the quarter finals na quarter finals no ane ni jefo a omde material na Africa set if you mo share so beton kruma no ane no omde akensi ni team boss 90 minutes of soccer fiesta na Niger achiga na twa 2 yentimi anti na obemu a ogia for host nation omche Ivory Coast and ala Cote d'Ivoire for twomeka ba ko mantimi anti and afi Senegal eche Mauritania for twomeka ba ko omso entimi anti Madagascar for mo che busu mu do mu prekese of first game no omo esanchi Mozambique for eyo Mozambique small mtwom 3-1 e wo sa kensi mantimi sampa Madagascar o ma bini yipa boni akoma hwese na match CB ekoso Media Sporting Club okotakwa enzima kasem ye ka media match seminuanom na omo na chance ma House of Folk etu deche fi eye Pobimai ekopie mu Adabraka Commercial Center na omo esan bu marketing base no nkrobrem ekopie mu takwa omo akɔhye media mafo eka baako media ma ye ya wantimi antitieni West Mexico a enija ato House of Folk supporters akomom no echen boni a wonta na ukomu a kumase asane worokofo nso ni nim se has de kontin kenwa no anadwo de sum no so de omakensi ne boso no nsia brema ye kan kase bo no sa bre pepepe na kotoko nso eni kutukurias nti hwe kotoko ni kutuku a ense ampani ampa kotoko echi kutukurias etwa no 5-1 ewa kensi matim sampa cricket score line avalanche of goals and a PM sa kensi kase etwensa to dwenem na abusua hwe kakrawate
Bayfie's ball in, headed back by Atenga. Here is Clinton up here. Can they score the opening goal? Hatzabok and Obin Jr. finally score for the Phobians. Mediama down by 1-0. And it is Kojo Obin Jr. The defending wasn't good in the Mediama territory, allowing the Phobians to take advantage. The ball from Amankwa Bayfie was good. Atinga's header Straight back at Clinton Apia. Did well to get to Obin Jr. Kojamwa could look to have won it, but the ball gladly fell back to Obin Jr. He made no mistake and he put the Phobians ahead. He lost it, but clearly it belonged to him and it came back to him.
He's on. It's also the reason why George Mfigi will also be supporting. Now here goes George. Sends it through the middle. Lamte has an opportunity. That's the first goal.
Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. And this is emphatic finish. Very clinical from Lamte.
Blay chips one forward. Can Komi get to it? No, Komi goes out. Mukwala goes down. Referee points to the spot. Referee's whistle goal is Dese Mukwala. Easy does it. Pick the same spot. Richmond Lamte got their goal. And Kotoko are 2 goals to the good. Reef beat into it. Lamte goes in there, but doesn't get to the ball. It's still kept in play there by Kotoku Royals. They're coming forward. This looks good for them. Now let's see what kind of options will come their way. Lovely chip. Oh, they're back in the game.
What a goal.
They're back in the game. Andy Kumi, well, of course, he's the only one who can know exactly how to beat. Trapped nicely by Zeze. Figure runs for the ball, gets to it. He's got space in front of him. Kotoko have an opportunity now. Enoch. Oh. Now it's that goal. Zeze in the right place at the right time. Laid on to Mukwala. Makes his way out of danger. Sharif. So far, so good for Kotoko. Keeping the ball to themselves. That run there. Oh, Dese does well. Turns it back. Opportunity for goal number 4.
Top class. And then look at the dance.
Through the middle, another opportunity for the Porcupine Warriors. Safu Taylor. Shot is blocked. Still hanging in there. Enoch Morrison. Mukwala goes up. There's a chance for Safu once again. Oh, and the ball is in the net. He came on with only 4 minutes remaining to end the game. And he's put his name on the score sheet for the first time this season. Kotoku Royals came. They saw. They end up the vanquished side. Superb performance. 90 minutes of action at the end of.
Nti enra ni kopie mu no Kotoko anenya Kotokuro asama bre etwon 5-1 ewa kensi matim sampa no akumase de ofa ba bia no bia tonam de a chewa seje kore enya asem keto akwanya me adoma Patrick Osajman Kantima Sungu ba be dun kran o de nkomo greetings from Kumase beba afere sen ne mabesi akọ Kaliba Mankwa has folk Branton and sentem na say onye fit for games sen na esi ko no but omo e ko no omo de ne kan sa kensi mo okobo no enya man of the match.
My achievement in here, say, be a me team no, na menya baby papa, esi na Ghana nyina so hu say na woman tino. Paibo na wasem de kan ho na bibia timi yeboko.
Last week na mu free FA Cup num. The only target for you this time league to say
man enye too hard sir, but bibia no o say yenya abotre ye match we no o say etimi ko na ye koye mistakes are yantimi anyade am yan more goals na yetimi say ba another game na yetimi win ntimi ye sure say your next game nso no ye be say win.
Nti Kaliba Mankwa has a folk Branton na odin nkomo kakra tiansan to dwane mon striker Steven Mokola Kotoko Abranti onya brace o she 2 goals e was against him after the game ono so enemu no as man of the match.
My first priority is to make sure that the team wins, and then the goals will follow, because that's my ultimate goal, to be the goal king. As Kotoko, we are fighting so hard, the management and players as well. We are trying to coordinate to make sure that each and every game we improve and we provide.
Steve Mukwala and Atene Castle didn't come 18 to January. I am Pese, Utimisenia Brepa, say Mushim Senyaduma, Kotoko Subiti, Other results it means Sampa and Legon City 1, Bechip United, Garnes Dangote, ni team no 3, Afitamale City 2, Gold Stars 3, Great Olympics 1, Karela 0, Samates 1, King Faisal 0, Nafi Brekum Chelsea 1, Dreams 0, Nafi RTU 2, Insuratama 0, and Nafi Adriana Stars 1, and Kranjata Accra Lions 1. We any results out with PPP, Yamia Doma Kumaka, which if she want Nafi Somali League and Repemno, Messadi Ababon, to catch up with your phone enough for say, Medusi and Mother was here, Chelfish, and the swamp saying you may kuno, Omiami and San and Albums Kajete men and a pencil, then come on 18 bar. And one expert I've always told you that betting is better than Sakawa. Bet the intestinal which say, we trying before, didn't before. Into bet with money that you can afford to lose. Sika Yano, and no any ditra bet. Bet, why, and my boys in your financial freedom, Brunia, Edini Basa, and yes, I the bet this as that was so about food. So, more than that, so the home gym. The move trabets now for Junica Cratwins and a bet you are when you beat a call. Why do you beat a bumutin between a show? When you move in what you say, found when you bet him. No more per bet there, a 1x bet, Madama. Woman that touch about medicine shares some quick to me jaw. Jeffas mixture a doing infections a do, segunaria, syphilis, candidiasis, white feet and asu deep on achua, a dream bois, proper Hawana no bomb out within a check, Bomodian that sounds a bit cabby. I know question on paper dance here, Omsiuli Jeffas can see Ness a dream, a idea password food now, a boy 2 more fashions as in the name 18 to 2 the mom. Coeba shops, sniff pharmaceutical shops in the Mosabitan can Jeffas, now Boama Yama at 2 the amount. Sedimore gel and roll on. Your ultimate pain relieving gel. You can't a pain. You have few pampas to be monastic in the dream. A 2 year basa, but more than that sounds a bit can be. Now a bit in a bow, Oko a shaman, may market and Sabeka be Temas on Yena, O friend paying 02082191129 on Sabeka Sedimore gel and roll on. Duba could be 2 years a pain. Now, what when your conversation was sitting him, now for waiting me, Ediaton to me, I don't know. More than that sounds a bit can be. We more and sponsors in the mood to 20 to touch the boy man and a pencil. You didn't come out and Sakama can see me to say Jow. Chanus Mammy said, oh, you may dear, and Kahadia, and a Maushi, a Kubuashi, Kanishi, a Bubulushi, Fedabaka, Bomeca, down Suma, Dakuma, Kufudia, soon, some Kidibudias, my case, a Biman Ponte, Fadi, Kitakratic, Swedru, Winiba, Kaswa, Konyanama, Timpuko, Jamai, Akusumu, and Nisha, Sugako Pedabala, Hoi, Ekuchitu, Adidome, Edwin Nichi Pandu, Krum, Conco, Bomu, Bunquetia, Conanada Mahina time or Domahim crew, Kobichim, Pudian, Quantabu, Kitin Kusian. Afi for nichire mu e summer boy with misampa mafu tie bruta afi okuma akopie enso on Zimaland at misampa Karela football club for so esinkunya omutie twem etra libo beko na ho na beti Ghana fo a e de French efratwi omu nyina ehwese na nema esi akosa busia okoya mosukrum e Cote d'Ivoire de dig boss no ehwe Adom TV ka kire busia fo ne na fofo se ye de usia na ya da wase asa cha opinya me Adom na yesa hye nkomo no so bi nso a e be sa de abrɛw na wi anso prem to the sports e beba na fi Patrick Osajman country mansungu sa the fire for fire dwumedi no enso etian sabre eno wasa hia Adom FM so na fi so aya sempe FM so de nkoma hodo akagina e wa go kensim e bejaw medin the profit ke wala sagudi kache na mjina mode of course evidence based sports and t-shirt mejaw erade entine ni manya okese infe bi ni da so ni fanko bi ni da so the act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye.